Good day to all employer there in Hong Kong. My name is Marilyn T. Rada. I am 36 years of age. I live in Leon B. Postigo, Zamboanga del Norte. I am married and having 3 children. Ages 15 years old girl, 12 years old boy, and 3 years old girl. My husband occupation is a fish laborer, and my husband name is Jmark Serialis Rada. My mother's name Marina Umalay Tabat. I am the eldest siblings in our family. I have 2 stepsisters and 1 stepbrother. My religion is a Roman Catholic. I am 160 centimeter and 75 kilograms. I graduated of Bachelor Elementary Education, but I'm not a bird passer yet. I experienced as a house helper here in Philippines in the previous month of January, year of 2015 until December 2020. We are 2 helpers in our employer, and we are shared room. We serve 4 members in one family: the mother, the father, the 3 months old baby boy, and 8 years old boy. My roles and responsibility: cleaning, ironing, do laundry, and taking care of the 3 months old baby boy. In 2021, I hired as child development worker teaching 3 to 4 years old children. My duties and my responsibility is ensuring the safety, stimulating inclusive environment that foster holistic development for children. I also practice and assess our daily routine in our daycare center, like nap time, playtime, and practice how to wash their hands before and after feeding, and how to brushing their teeth. And I practice them how to hold pencil and crayons, and how to tracing, coloring, and writing. And also I practice to identify the numbers, letters, and their sounds, and shape and colors. And also I teach them the nursery rhyme and the transitional song. And also I apply to teach them the good manners and right conduct. And I made feel that I love them very much. To my future employer, if you hired me as your helper, I assure you that I am responsible, hardworking, dedicated individual, reliable, trustworthy, respectful, and honest. I will do my duties and responsibility. And I am flexible in household chores. Thank you and God bless.